Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum to all and welcome back to my channel. Hope all you are safe and healthy. Today I'm gonna share with you all my day in my life vlog. Come, let's see my morning routine. Here I am prepared for my husband's lunch. So I'm preparing a cheesy chicken breast with some baked vegetables. I'm using my air fryer to bake this, so it's oil free and healthy version. If you don't have air fryer, no problem, you can try my recipes with your oven. This is simply an healthy version of lunch pack, so you guys also you can try. For marination, I'm using olive oil and red chili powder and some salt only. I'm using for the chicken and the vegetables. In UAE, our summer break is over, so from next week our kids' schools also started, so we are super busy. From my next video, I'm gonna share with you all mummies a healthy version of and kids friendly lunch pack ideas and some tips for you. For that, you first subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. After my husband went to office, so I organized the things back and then I'll wait for my kids to wait. After my kids woke up, I prepared their breakfast too. They love nuggets, so I have to bake some nuggets in my air fryer and some French toast bread. So they love this also. I'm adding only butter and egg only. If you want, you can add sugar also. It's a really healthy and it's a tasty too. One egg is enough for 2 bread slices, so you all check my description box for the measurement of all the recipes when I'm showing to my video. After having our chit-chat breakfast, I am back to work. Alia is a very big fan of cuddle toys, so when she is there, all of them around with her. So the bed also filled with cuddle toys. While I'm cleaning, Ayman came and asked me. He also wants to help me, so I give him a chance to help me too. After all morning works are done, so I need a break. So I need to refresh myself. So I made some Sprite watermelon. So I will share the recipe also in my description box, so you can check there and you can make it. It's really amazing. So you guys also try it and let me know how is it for your taste. For my lunch, I prepared some chicken gravy with coconut milk and some ladies finger with egg. It's a fried curry with a ladies finger. So you can check my recipes also in the description box. You can get the measure from there. These recipes are really very simple. You can easily make it. So you guys also try with it. After finish my lunch cooking, I made a quick clean for my kitchen tops. So it's evening, so our tea time. So my husband came from office, so I prepared some tea for my husband. And on my previous day I made some vatlappam, so I take the vatlappam and some mixture for our tea time snack. So for my vatlappam recipe also I give it to the description box. You can try also there. After our tea time is done, so we are sitting all together and do some activities with my kids, and we sit all together and had our dinner, and my day in my life is end. Thanks for watching.